We've got 500 pesos to spend here in Ugbo Street in Tondo.
And this is the ultimate street food spot for foodies like you and me here in Manila.
Tara, kain tayo. Let's eat!
Check it out.
Bit of select. Hey everyone, my name is Cheno.
And my name is Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex. So, in comparison to our previous vlog, we've actually brought down our budget from 1,000 pesos down to 500 because we want to see how far that money can get us. You don't need to spend a lot, especially with street food.
So this place is recommended by many, and so we thought we'd give it a try. They don't actually just have Filipino street food, but they also have other cuisines as well, like Japanese, Korean, and I think Middle Eastern as well.
Yeah.
So why don't we give it a try?
I think we found our first stop for this food tour, which is a fried baga, and it's actually cow's lungs. When Alex told me that, I'm like, bro, what the heck?
I mean, we'll give it a try just because our friends recommended it, so
yeah,
we'll see.
This costs 10 pesos for a stick of it, so let's try it out.
So we're gonna get a cup, and I think with suka, which is vinegar, I think it'll be better.
I think one's enough.
Yeah, we're just gonna get one.
I'm kind of nervous, I'll be honest.
So I don't actually eat various street foods, but I mean, we're here now, so we'll try it.
Honest thoughts.
It's actually really soft, like it's not meaty, like where there's shreds of like meat.
Okay, my turn, guys. Alex's reaction was pretty bad off camera, so let me give this a go. The texture is really weird. It's soft, and the flavor is also, I don't know.
We're not a fan of it.
Yeah, I don't know. I think we have to move on, but it's only 10 pesos, so not bad. If you like this, 10 pesos.
Walking around, and you could really see there's other cuisines here. We saw the Korean one.
Yeah,
we
Korean
just walked
chenogoes.
past. Yeah, so I don't know if we want to try it just because we want to try like authentic Filipino food right now. But I mean, if you're into Korean food or Japanese food, there's a lot here.
I think we need something tasty right now because that first one got us real.
We need to like cleanse our palate.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
For our second purchase was the Korean corn dog because I was kind of craving it a little bit. This one is 100 pesos, so it took a huge chunk of our budget. But the next few foods might also cost that much. Let's give it a try. Ooh. The sauce? Mayo?
Yeah. So mozzarella,
yeah?
hot dog, and mayo.
Ooh.
Is it warm?
Damn, so good. That's so tasty. Oh, it's falling apart.
Ooh.
Yeah, I like this. It's so cheesy. It's falling apart, as you can see, but it's so tasty, honestly. Definitely needed this compared to the first meal we had.
Is it worth 100 pesos?
100 pesos? That's pretty good price. Yeah, I would say so.
Massive too, right?
It's massive, yeah.
Fried noodles, Hong Kong style, and 45 pesos only in a cup. So we're gonna give it a try. Got the Hong Kong style fried noodles now, and it's only 45 pesos, and they actually put 2 shawmais on it, which is really good, and we just put our own sauce on it as well.
I'm glad we went down in price for this one because that corn dog set us back quite a bit.
So we're gonna give it a try, and we just put our sauce whatever we want. So
what did you choose, by the way?
I got like teriyaki, some chili, peanut sauce, something like that.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of selections, I think 5 or 6. What do you think? Is it weird that you mix a lot or not?
No, it was so good. Like it's so flavorful, and obviously you can cater it to whatever flavor you want. There's like bean sprout in it as well, so that's pretty good. It adds a little bit of like texture. But yeah, you should give it a try.
I haven't mastered chopsticks yet, so.
Yummy, right?
That's so rich in
Now
flavor.
this one is actually worth it for 45 pesos only, and it's like pretty good serving.
Yeah. Can I have another bite? So good. Yeah, highly recommend this one even more. Half the price, but like triple the flavor almost. Alright, so after the fried noodles, we need something to kind of wash it down. So we're on our fourth purchase of the day, which is
Big brew.
Yeah, Big Brew. They've got like tea, coffee and snacks. Before we try it out, so far we've spent about 196 pesos, right?
Yeah, that's
so
right.
that gives us 304 pesos left, which is good. That's plenty, and we still got a few more places we want to try out. So let's try this one.
So this one is the lychee flavor, and it's only 39 pesos, including with the total price. And it's actually massive, and there's other flavors as well, but we'll give this one a try, and you can get whatever sugar level you want.
We always choose lychee as well.
Lychee is
Good?
my favorite flavor of all, and it's so good. It is so refreshing. Good?
Yummy, much needed. Because that fried noodles was so savory. So this helps kind of even that out.
Well, we're here at, actually don't know, but this is where the entrance is. And we're gonna get their liempo steak and their T-bone steak. So they're famous for their sizzling plates here, and it's so packed. I'm
Yeah,
so
it's
glad we got a
busy.
seat here. So we're gonna wait for the food, and we'll show you what it looks like. So the order is here. We got the T-bone, which is 170 pesos, and also the liempo, which is 140. But we're just gonna count the 140, which is the liempo, because the T-bone is actually not ours. We're gonna give it a try though. So here you go. We'll try the meat.
Is that the T-bone?
Yeah.
The one you're trying first?
And there's gravy on top as well. It was like sizzling before.
Nice test.
It's so good.
Yeah?
I think the gravy really added that flavor. And with the rice, it'll be perfect.
Yum.
And we'll try the liempo. Good?
Super tasty, and I think it's the sauce as well. Is this is it gravy? No, I don't think. I think it's something else. Is it gravy? Oh. These are really good, guys. Super flavorful as well, and great price as well. So yeah, now we're just gonna eat it with the rice and enjoy this meal. This is kind of like our dinner, I guess, since everything else was a bit of a snack.
What do you think about Ugbo Street here in Tondo?
It's actually so crazy for me anyway, because I never go to this part of like Manila. We normally just go to malls and
Yeah, it
all
is
that.
my first time as well in Tondo, because everyone recommended to come here for the street food. So we thought we'd give it a try. I think
Yeah.
Cheno really enjoyed all the street
Yeah.
food we tried so far.
Plus, like the business of it all, it's kind of like that good, overwhelming in a sense for me anyway.
Yeah.
Kind of like when we went to Tokyo, Japan, it's just crazy. So much like food, flavors, smells and stuff. We really love the food for sure.
But it's currently raining, so we just sat down here at Aling Consuelo's Halo Halo place. We're gonna try the saging con hielo and then the Halo Halo, which is 79 pesos each. Which I think that's about our budget now.
Is
We're
actually?
gonna add them up and then we'll let you know. Alright, I'm gonna try the saging con hielo and he's gonna try the
I got
Halo
the
Halo.
Halo.
Taste test.
We gotta crush it, right? Mix it?
Yeah, mix it a little bit.
Okay.
I actually like the saging con hielo more than Halo Halo. I don't know, there's just too many things going on in the Halo Halo, but saging is just sweet, banana, and I mean you got leche flan as well. So
So I just crush everything?
yeah, just mix
Ooh.
everything. Literally like do
Yeah.
that.
I don't eat halo often. It's not my go-to dessert, but let's give this a go.
And it's actually massive too, like
Yeah.
pretty big.
Really good.
So good.
Tasty, sweet, super sweet, I'm assuming.
It is a little bit sweet, but
Yeah.
it's actually just so refreshing. I love the ice. Get the bottom.
Yeah, true. I was missing something. I was gonna be like, oh shoot, I have to say bad things about it. There we go.
Get the bottom, babe. That's just leche flan. The spoon is so tiny we can't get to the bottom. The saging con hielo is definitely our favorite. Just because we don't actually eat halo halo as much, but it is really nice. So there's Aling Consuelo and Aling Pinang here next to each other. Give them a try, whichever one you wanted to see for yourself. But we tried Aling Consuelo and it's really good.
Alright you guys, so to end the vlog, we're gonna add up all the food that we've eaten. And if our calculations are correct, there should be about 8 pesos left. And with that 500 peso budget, we managed to get a lot. So about 3 snacks, 1 drink, 1 main meal.
And 1 dessert.
Yeah, that's right. No, two desserts.
2 desserts. I mean, 500 pesos can be a lot, but we shared that for 2 people. You don't actually need to bring a lot of money here in Ugbo Street because there are a lot of affordable food, and you can also just eat a meal, so that's totally fine. We enjoyed this time here in Ugbo Street, and if you want to check it out, you just type Ugbo Street Tondo on your Google Maps and you'll be here.
So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you leave it a like. Also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future uploads. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.